guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl prestigehumanhair. So if you are new here, welcome. So as you can see and tell from the intro that I'll be doing a burn, smoky, purple, burgundy eye look. I don't know what to call this video yet, but I'll figure it out. But this is something that, you know, is very good for the winter time. So I'm gonna do this look today because I felt the mood. I don't know why, but I felt the mood to do this look. So if you are interested to see how I get this look, please keep on watching. We're gonna jump right in. I did my eyebrow already and I put my concealer all the way down to my eyelid. Don't mind my fingers, it needs to be done. I just don't have the time. But pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and set this before it starts creasing up on me. I will be using the Patrick Star powder to set it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. So how are you guys doing today? I'm in a good mood. I don't know why, but I'm just in a good mood to put on makeup. Right now it is, let me see the time, it is 10:56 in the morning and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good. So we're gonna do this, and you guys know I always start with the eyes. I did moisturize my face already and everything, so everything is on and marinated. So I might go into two palettes, I'm not sure. Maybe I just stick with the Jackie Aina palette or I switch it up. This is the Morphe 3502. So we're gonna go ahead and see what transition shade I should start with. So let me go into the Morphe first, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a clean brush. So I'm gonna go into, guys, listen, when I come on camera, I don't know what I'm gonna look like, to be honest. I don't know how the makeup look is gonna turn out to be. I don't know nothing, you know, so we're gonna figure this out together. But if you see the intro, you know that I did a good job. I'm gonna take this color right here. I don't know the name, but this one right here. And whoa, I'm gonna go ahead and start. And this is a very fluffy brush. So while I'm putting it on, I'm blending it out. And are you guys loving my upload? I'm loving my own upload, you know. I am loving this. This is what I always wanted to do. Upload 5 days a week and just give you guys everything that I have to offer. And also to introduce you guys to my hair company. So that link will be down below as always. But I'm just loving this upload. I am just loving it. This is a nice shade. So I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna go into the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and take edges first, and I'm gonna go into credit on top. But let me start with the edges and just kind of focus it into the crease. I think I should have gone with edges first in the beginning, but it's okay. I'll figure it out. I'll get it together. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it only into the crease. So I'm gonna go into edges now, and I'm gonna take another brush, or should I just stick with this one? Let me stick with this brush, and I'm gonna take credit, and I'm gonna focus this mostly on the outer corner. So first I'm gonna tap it on. So I'm just gonna go into the first color just to blend out those lines on top. Okay, so this look is not turning out purple as the way how I want it to be, but it's like a nice smoky, burn, orange, brown look. Yeah, this is the way how it turned out. That was not my vision. My vision was like deep purple, stuff like that, but it didn't turn out like that. So yeah. So next I'm gonna go back into, I'm gonna stick with the Jackie Aina palette because I'm just feeling this palette all the time. And all these colors I could go with. I don't need to go into another palette, so I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna take another brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and take Decision. Oh, I never tried this color. This is called Alliteration. Yeah, never ever try this color. Not even, no, I did try Dollars. I never tried Chickenton, and Chickenton is purple. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just go into Alliteration, and I'm gonna take it onto a brush, and I did not spray my brush, so I want to see how it looks, and I'm gonna put it onto the lid. I couldn't think right now. I'm gonna put it onto the lid, and I'm gonna take more, and I'm just gonna dab it in, dab, dab, dab. This is looking very subtle. Very nice. I don't know if you can see it. My lighting is damn bright, but this is looking so nice. This is looking really nice, and I'm not even wet my brush. So let me see how it is when I wet it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of Sponsored, just a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it into the center. I just want to see how it looks. Wow, yeah, this is nice. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it together. I just want to put it right onto the center and a little bit over to the other side. So I'm gonna go back into Credits, and I'm just gonna blend out the lines on the edges. All right, this look is really, really coming together, and I don't feel like I want to put a wing. I don't want to put a wing, but I'm going to go ahead and line my lash lines so that when I put on my lashes, the band does not show. So let me go ahead and just line it. So now I'm going to take my Bad Girl Bang mascara, and I'm going to go ahead and just put on some mascara onto my lashes, and then I'm going to go ahead, do the other side off camera, put on my lashes, and then I'll start with the face. Okay guys, so I am back and the lashes is on. This lash is called Island Girl. It is on my website to pre-order right now. Go ahead and check it out. But I just love this lash so much. All right, we're gonna jump right into the face. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm gonna use it today, and I'm in the shade Nutmeg 520G. Really, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some onto the back of my head, and it's very full coverage. Like this alone will do my whole entire face. So I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and start blending, and look at that. Look how it just melts. Like, can you see? It does have a, you know, perfume odor, a scent, but that don't bother me at all, as long as this doesn't break me out. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go ahead and use this ColourPop, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit because this is pigmented, and it also have a little orange tint to it. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna go ahead and just put only under the eyes because I do have dark spot right here, and this is an orange tint. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fenty on top. Okay guys, so I went and used the Fenty in butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to contour, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose today and my cheekbones, and you guys know wherever I need to contour. I'm gonna go into the NYX, and I don't know what happened, but it's broken. It is so broken. Look at this, and I'm still using it. Like, I really don't care because this is so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. Then I'm gonna go in and do my cheeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a reverse contour. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the other Fenty in, what is this? Nutmeg. And I'm loving this. I'm loving it. So when it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and get the bigger one. I'm gonna try the Nutmeg and use it because I normally would have tried a lighter color when I'm doing a reverse contour. So let me see how this works. Quickly brush it off because you guys know, if you are new here though, hi, my name is Prestige and I cannot bake. I have dry ass skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush it off, and I'm using my MAC in NW45 just to brush it off, just like that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. No, before that, I'm gonna go ahead and use my blush, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. And for blush, I don't need to tell you guys what blush I will be using. Same thing, I haven't changed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, she is pretty. Go ahead and let it sit and air dry, but I don't want to. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the MAC Gold Deposit. Haven't used this in a while, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. This is, damn, this just melted right into my skin. Look at that. Oh my god. All right, so what else should I do? This is really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom because I always forget to do the bottom of my eyes. Always, like when I finish my makeup, I'm like, oh shit, I did not put anything at the bottom. So I'm gonna go into edges first. No, credit then edges, and just put it on. She is pretty. All right, I'm gonna go into my Maybelline mascara and just fix up eyelashes. And then before I put my lipstick on, I'm gonna go ahead one more time, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the trust issues. Now I'm gonna go into Soleil. This is the one I'm gonna go into, and I'm gonna put it right into the inner corner. Oh, I'm feeling this look. I'm feeling this look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I think I want to do something dramatic with my lips. I haven't used this, and I bought it 3 weeks ago. I haven't used this, and this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is the shade Grown Bakery. Yep, that's the shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And okay, so it's a reddish color. All right. Ooh, this is dramatic. Look at that. All right. You know what? Let me use this pencil here. I'm gonna use this one. This is in Apple Red. Go ahead and line them lips. Does this look good with it? I don't think so. No, this lip does not. Okay. This doesn't match. Does not match at all. I think I need like a purple. No. No. This doesn't match. Okay. Let me go into this one. This is from ColourPop. This is called Saturday. This one right here. And I'm gonna put it over it. Okay, this is a little bit better. All right, this is a little bit better, and I think I want to keep it matte. This is so pretty. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna spray my face one more time with the Jeffree Star and Morphe. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy. I am loving this whole entire makeup look, and also my hair is so damn beautiful. You cannot tell me like this is not my hair. Okay, this is also on my website to purchase. Make sure you go ahead and check out my website down below in the description box. Follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to stay tuned Monday through Friday. And yeah, I'm just in love. I am looking at myself. I'm like, damn girl, you look so damn pretty. Okay. All right guys, so don't forget to check me out Monday through Friday. Turn on the bell, turn on the notification, and I will see you again in my next one. Bye guys.